Most people don't even notice it.
They wake up and instantly grab their phone.
No stretching, no silence, just chaos.
Social media, messages, news.
And then they wonder, why am I always anxious and distracted?
The first 20 minutes after waking up is called the theta state. It's when your brain is still between sleep and full alertness. And during that state, your brain is programmable.
If the first thing your brain sees is fear, comparison, stress, it prepares for chaos, not clarity.
Try this tomorrow. When you wake up, do nothing for 90 seconds.
No phone, no talking, just sit and breathe.
This moment is called a mindful pause.
It gives your brain a chance to reboot before the world invades it.
90 seconds of silence equals 5 hours of anxiety.
You're not lazy. You're just starting your day the wrong way.
Small habits shape big outcomes.
So tomorrow, no scrolling, just silence.
Try it once, then tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Like, subscribe, and don't forget, your brain deserves a better beginning.